Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hi, my name is Shalonda. I create videos about lifestyle, DIY, and organization. And if you've already been living life with lawn, then thanks for returning for another video. In today's video, I'm going to take this $35 desk and turn it into this desk. So the first thing I had to do was start off by sanding off the polyurethane finish from the previous stain. While sanding, I noticed a small area that would need some work. In efforts to maintain the budget, I used white chalk paint that I already had on hand. To save you guys from the boredom of watching me paint this entire desk twice, I'm going to go ahead and speed things up a little bit. My husband had some joint compound and was able to fix the imperfection on the corner. I headed over to Target to get some contact paper to give the desk a faux marble look. Now, I've used contact paper for my drawers and for my cabinets, but I've never used it on furniture, so this was a first for me. I was very pleased with the outcome and how well the adhesive on this particular brand stuck to the paint. After sticking the contact paper directly in the middle, I realized it would be harder to put two smaller pieces along the sides. So I removed that to put one bigger piece towards the edge and to only have to cut one additional piece. For reapplying the contact paper, I used a 60 grit sandpaper to lightly sand any abrasive that was left behind. Comment below if you've ever used contact paper on furniture. This was the first time for me, and I definitely feel that I will do it again in the future. And I know many of you are wondering what is going on in this working space that I have. I'm working in our garage that I have currently taken over for my projects, so please ignore the messes behind me. And again, guys, like I said, this contact paper is very durable, it's strong, and the adhesive is so tacky that I was able to reuse the piece that I previously had placed earlier. Guys, something that I really liked about this contact paper is that it had lines on it, so it made it easy for me to cut a straight line. So after I finished with the desk, I wanted to go ahead and get some really cute accessories, but I wanted to maintain the budget, so I headed over to the dollar store. While I was in Target, I picked up a can of Rust-Oleum Craft and Imagine spray paint. I chose the color metallic gold. It covers wood, glass, and metal. So something that you will see throughout this video is that I have an addiction to pens. I got the napkin holder basically as a form of storage to hold potentially my planner or to put in mail that needs to be opened or bills that need to be paid. I absolutely love the way these accessories turned out. Comment below and tell me what is one thing you absolutely have to have at your desk. Now guys, because I already had an existing workstation, I just kind of wanted to update my workstation with a new desk. I already had several accessories. I will link those in the description box below. And here's the completed project. So something that started off as simple as doing a desk turned out to be making shelves and getting more accessories. I absolutely love the way this project turned out. Most of the items that I have on these shelves were found in either the dollar store or the Target dollar spot. There are a couple of things that were gifted to me, but if I can find them, I will also link them in the description box below. For me, this space is very functional. I love the different textures and the different tones in which I decided to use. Having the bright colors and the gold and the marble, it just kind of helps me feel like I'm not working. I always want to create a space that is functional as well as pleasing to the eye. For me, that helps me stay on task and keeps me productive. I love to keep everything nice and organized by the order in which I will use them, and so that kind of helps as well. If you guys would like to see an organizational video, please comment below and let me know. Whatever area, kitchen, bathroom, linen closet, or even my desk, I will be happy to produce that content for you guys. And remember, if you're not living life with lawn, then you're missing out.